Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get face tracking on Roblox. First of all, open Roblox app on your phone. Once you open it, just click tap on three dot and go to settings. Now you have to go to in privacy. Now scroll down and you will see here two options. One is microphone and second is camera. So just enable the second permission, camera, to get face tracking on Roblox. So basically by enabling camera, you are allowing Roblox to use your camera to animate your avatar with your movement. So basically this is how it works, and the green dot shows that Roblox is using your camera. Fine, so let's do that. First of all, now open any game that supports uh, camera as communication. Let's open it. Now let's play this game. So once you open the game, you just to get face tracking, you just need to tap on this video icon at avatar's head. Just tap on it to get face tracking. As you can see, there is a green dot as well at avatar's face cam. It shows that Roblox is using your camera. This green dot I'm talking about. Now, as you can see, this is how it's working. If I'm moving my hand, it's doing amazing tracking with my movement. So you can see it's tracking, complete face tracking. It is basically the complete face tracking. It won't track your hand movement, body movement, only the face tracking. That's why it's called face tracking. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.